How to change the icon shape. Android 17 stock OS, Google Pixel. By default, set the app icon shape to your Android phone. Latest Android 17 version includes 5 different app icon shape like as square, rounded square, teardrop, etc. Google removed this feature from stock Pixel launcher after older Android versions, and it has now returned as a stable Android 17 setting. Also, use third-party launcher like Nova Launcher to customize icon shape. Go to Home Screen and long press on the blank space and tap Wallpaper and Style. Make sure select the home screen. Swipe up and tap Icons. Tap the shape at the bottom middle. You can see the default app icons shaped to your stock Android 17 Google Pixel devices. Tap the icon shape you want to set. Tap Apply button in the top right corner to set new icon shape to your Android phone. Go to Home Screen to see the changes to app icons to your phone. And that's all. Thanks for watching.